Hi everyone. So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to save as your original Photoshop image, like a data as JPEG. That's quite easy. Just let's get started. Just sharing my screen. Okay, now you can see my photo, for example. I'm gonna just get it through. Just you have to open your file, like original file in Photoshop. Just select and open it, and the image comes up. And then so if you want to save your original Photoshop image to JPEG, just from File, from the top menu, and save a copy. Save as also you can do, but just simply save a copy. And you have the location your data is going to save. Okay? For this occasion, just save on a computer, just my computer. And then you can rename it. Just simply, if you make a copy of it, just simply just copy the word comes in the end. Just copy. And then don't forget about save type. So I want to save it as JPEG. The JPEG, just click on it. And then you have to select the location that that will be stored. But this occasion, just same place. Oh no, just place you want to go. And just make sure the file name and save type like a dot format, and don't worry about the one, just originally clicked and just save it, and then just mark, we don't worry about this. And the image options quality, I think you have to choose like a maximum one. Then also you can increase the quality of the image, so just maximizing just 12. And there is 3 options, like a baseline, standard, optimize, and progressive. Just simply you're gonna choose either one, just top one's baseline, standard, baseline, optimized. So I would choose just baseline optimized. Okay, then just okay. And now saved. Just go to my folder and check it. And think of the picture. The thumbnail. Yeah, the original file is here. The example of Lee Jeffries. This is the original file, original data. And then I've converted this original data to JPEG. This comes up, the JPEG. So it says like a JPG in the end. JPG means JPEG. JPEG data. And go to Photoshop. And then, for example, I'm going to open this one. I open. It is exactly the same folder. But the first one is .psd, which means Photoshop data. And the next one is .jpg in the end. It means JPEG data. Now you got your original image as JPEG. It's quite easy, eh? Okay, just stop sharing. Okay, just let's get started. Your turn.